Okay, so a while ago you had a stroke, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and you can't lift this foot up anymore, correct?
No, right, correct.
Okay, so you have what's called an AFO or an ankle foot orthosis, and we'll get a picture of that in a minute. But so you just put a lot of extra pressure right under that bone right there. And does this make it difficult for you to walk on?
Yes, does.
Okay, and so we tend to trim this like every month or so to keep you walking as much as you can, right?
Yes, yes.
And does that help?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Do you do anything for this at home?
No.
Okay. So after I trim most of the callus off of this, how long does this keep you comfortable?
For about a week or two.
That's all, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Should do it. And we've had an open sore under this in the past when it got too thick, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's why we have you come in every month just to keep the callus down. All right, well, thank you for letting us do the video.
You're more than welcome.
And then you can keep it running and just get a picture of what the AFO looks like for his foot. So this is, it's a full piece that goes into the shoe and goes all the way up to help when you have a drop foot or you can't lift your foot up that way. It does it for you. All right, sir. Thank you very much.